Presenting to you the Hisense 411-liter capacity two-door frost-free refrigerator with elegant and stylish design. Keeping with modern aesthetics, it has a silver stainless steel color finish, blending in perfectly with your kitchen. Hisense Total No Frost technology circulates air evenly to prevent ice buildup and helps to keep your food fresh for longer. This refrigerator comes with Moisture Fresh Crisper, which is fruit and vegetable box, with a moisture adjustment system to maintain the moisture at optimal level for longer freshness. To maintain freshness, this refrigerator has deodorizing filter also, which eliminates bad smell and preserve the flavor of your food for longer. The advanced inverter compressor in this refrigerator